Hey guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. I guess hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I just want to go through which of the latest cards, like the 3090, 3080, the 30 series cards, as well as the AMD cards, which GPU is efficient in terms of mining Ravencoin. All right, I just want to go through that in this video, and just so that we can just get ready for when Ethereum eventually will be moving to proof of stake, as you guys know, eventually turning off proof of work. All right, so I'm just going to be doing these type of videos now, I guess, for the next couple of weeks. I'm just going to go through different algorithms, but in this video I want to focus on Ravencoin specifically. All right, the Kapow algorithm. Okay, so before I do that, I just want to go through the Ethereum ones just for the RTX 3090, 3080 Ti, 3080, and so on and so forth. And so you can see the Ethereum hash rate that we can achieve on these cards specifically. Okay, I got the 6800 and the 6700 XT here, and I have all the software wattage as well as the system at the wall. As you guys know, I have a little ITX machine. I've done many videos, just hash rate videos recently. I have a playlist of basically all the different cards as of the past 6 months. As they've been coming out, I've been making the hash rate videos for those. As you guys know, you've probably seen them. And so I do have a Google Doc with a bunch of, all the cards in this Google Doc. Okay, so link down below, you guys can check this out. I have all of the hash rate numbers in there, okay, as well as these comparisons. But you guys can see here in terms of Ethereum hash rate recently for the 3080 Ti and the 3070 Ti, as you guys know, those cards are now LHR'd, all right, light hash rate, all right. So the efficiency compared to, let's say, a 3070, you guys can see here, 31% versus 50%, all right. So the efficiency is a lot better on the RTX 3070. And so we've basically concluded, I did make this video, I think like a month or two back, that the 3060 Ti and the RTX 3070 in terms of Ethereum mining as of now is the most efficient in terms of hash per watt. Okay, in terms of the price per watt, we don't really know, because the prices of RTX 3070s right now and 3060 Ti's actually are pretty much on par on the used market, recently sold on eBay, just to give you guys that just perspective, right? But now in terms of the efficiency for Ravencoin, all right, now let's move to that. This is something I've been wanting to really just get a foothold of, as eventually when Ethereum is no longer mineable, there are going to be other algorithms that are potentially profitable when that time comes. I guess we'll see once Ethereum is moving to proof of stake. Okay, so anyways, let's deep dive in here, and I just have a disclaimer. When it comes to GPU mining, remember, Silicon Lottery results may vary from GPU to GPU. So my clocks, undervolts, voltages shown in my videos, and also other YouTubers, other crypto mining YouTubers as well, may not work for you because of GPU brand, memory manufacturing, what have you. Temperatures and your cooling methods will also play the part and have an effect. Test at your own risk and do your own research. Okay, guys? So these numbers that I have here is what I was able to achieve on the GPUs that I have been testing now for the past, I guess, 6 months. And at the bottom here, you guys can see all the different sheets of the different GPUs, the Gigabyte 38HX, 6700 XT, 6800, 3060, 3060 Ti, 3070, 3080, and the 3090, okay? So going along here, just in terms of the Ravencoin hash rate that I was able to achieve in terms of most efficient numbers when I did those tests, okay, so RTX 3090 here at 82% power limit, plus 100 core, plus 1000 memory, I was able to achieve about 45.97 megahash on the Kapow algorithm. Okay, you guys can see the power consumption here in the software is 319 watts, but at the wall is about 352. Okay, so the hash per watt here, the metric here that we are going to go through is 14.41%. Okay, so you guys can see the other numbers here. So the LHR, all right, the 3080 Ti and the 3070 Ti. So these are ones that I guess a lot of people have been wondering recently, and so yeah, we know that on Ethereum, they're limited, right? As of right now, we're waiting to see if there's going to be a hack per se. All right, we'll see if that comes. But you can see here on the 3080 Ti, it gets about 45 megahash. All right, so pretty close to a 3090 at the exact overclock settings that I did in MSI Afterburner. Okay, and it looks like the hash per watt is a little bit better, a little bit more efficient by like 1.6% or so. So yeah, you can see here 280 watts. All right, so there you go. Better than a 3090 roughly. Okay. But going down the list here, 3080, all right, can get about 43, 44 mega hash at about 255 watts. All right. So the efficiency there for me that I was able to achieve was about 17%. Going down, the 3070 Ti LHR. Okay. So exact same, almost the exact same, 80% power limit instead of 82. I was able to get about at 39 mega hash at about 247 watts. Okay, but the efficiency there, hash per watt, is about 15, almost 16%. So generally pretty close otherwise, pretty close. But the kicker, the best, the most efficient GPU, all right, for Ravencoin, as I was able to achieve on this card, was 30 mega hash, okay, on the RTX 3070. And in the software was 143 watts, or at the wall for the whole rig was 174 watts. And so the percentage on that is 21%, okay, 21%, and hash per watt at the system at the wall was 17. So you guys can see it's about almost 3% better than these top tier cards above. Okay, so the RTX 3070, again, it's with the efficiency on Ethereum, it's still one of the best cards for Ravencoin mining. And I'm just gonna say right now that the other algorithms like Autolycos and like Conflux, MTP, Zcoin, or sorry, Firo as of now, I think the 3070 is still the best all-rounder card in terms of efficiency for mining. Now, depending on price, which I'll talk about in a sec here, that'll all depend on obviously what price you get the 3070 at. But anyways, going down the list, guys, you guys can see the efficiency is good on the 3060 Ti and good on the 3060 as well. This is the limited Ethereum one. This is pre-LHR. So I don't have a LHR'd RTX 3060, so I'm not quite sure if it's limited or not, but I have a feeling it's not on Ravencoin. Anyway, it's obviously, I guess the LHR branding is the limited, same idea, but I'm not quite sure. I will update this when I get a LHR'd 3060. You guys can let me know down below. But going along the RX 6800, we can see here we're getting about 28 mega hash, and the efficiency there in percentage is about 18%. Okay, so the 6800 is actually better than the 3070 Ti, 3080, 3080 Ti, and 3090 in terms of efficiency, right? So you guys can see that that's pretty good. And also the 6700 XT is really good for mining Ravencoin as well, 137 watts. So pretty good. And then lastly, I have here the Gigabyte 30HX, which I told you guys, don't buy this card, not efficient at all. It doesn't even beat the efficiency of a RTX 3090. Okay, so yeah, this is basically a really, really bad Silicon Lottery 1660 Super. Okay, so that's it, guys. Yeah, you guys can see, I think the RTX 3070 is the most efficient in terms of just hash per watt. Okay, that's the metric I'm going for, not the price, because right now prices are really ranging right now. And you guys have probably heard recently that a lot of people have been saying, also like a lot of tech tubers are saying, oh, GPU prices are dropping right now. And yeah, I could say that on the used market, they're dropping somewhat, not like a crazy amount, right? The RTX 3070 right now is still is selling on the used market for about 1100 around there. That's what I've been generally seeing. The 3060 Ti has been selling for around the same, if not more, depending on what people are paying for. Yeah, but around the same price as the 3070. So if my option for buying GPUs right now, I know a lot of people like the 3060 Ti, but to be honest, the efficiency, it's better on the 3070 for the other algorithms. It's just stronger. Like on Ravencoin, you guys can see here 30 mega hash versus 22 mega hash. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. But honestly, it just depends what price you can get these GPUs at, right? Okay, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to talk about. In terms of profitability, I do have what to mine here on a RTX 3070 as of now with the correct hash rates. So yeah, for Ravencoin mining, it's not profitable as of right now, right? But come when Ethereum moves to proof of stake in the next 6 months, potentially 9 months or more, we shall see once the Ethereum network hash rate just drops off a cliff, what's going to happen to all that hash rate, right? It's going to flow into all these other coins then we'll see how profitability will be. Of course, it might be pretty dire by the time that comes. We're not sure, obviously dependent on the market, the prices, the equilibrium, okay, of network hash rate, difficulty, price of the coin. That's how we see, the what to mine profitability all the time, right? So I guess we'll see. And so for Ravencoin as well, I just wanted to just touch on real quick here that they're going to be having a halvening. I have talked about this before. They're going to have it around January of 2022 at block 21 million, okay? So this is going to be the first halvening that Ravencoin will take place from 5,000 to 2,500 Ravencoin. So there's going to be a potential risk factor there that some people may be playing in terms of they're mining Ravencoin right now in hopes of price appreciation due to the halvening, right? That's something that some people are gambling, and I'm gambling as well. I have a few rigs on Ravencoin, not financial advice. We're gonna see what happens, but definitely I will keep you guys updated when that time comes, January of 2022. So that's pretty much in about 6 months, as of recording this video. And just to tie that in, you guys probably already know regarding Ethereum. I don't really want to talk about it anymore. I think it's been talked about so many times, but if there's any updates regarding Ethereum and proof of stake and turning off proof of work, I will let you guys know. If not, if you guys have not heard of the milestones, the timelines of when EIP 1559 is coming out, the merge, end of proof of work, POS, ETH 2.0, whatever, all that stuff, I'll have a video linked down below. There was a interview with Tim Bako. We had Mr. Son of a Tech, Max Voltage, Serpent, myself, and Tim Bako on a Discord meeting, and we all just talked it out, a bunch of different things, just mainly the timelines of when this is all coming out. But yeah, go watch that video, guys. I have it all timestamped as well. You guys can see all these questions in that video. I'll have this video linked down below so you guys can know what's to come regarding Ethereum. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Let me know regarding the efficiencies that I was able to achieve on the all these cards here, and let me know if you guys think the 3070 is the most efficient card as of right now. Okay, have a good one, guys. I'll see you next video. Have a good one, and peace out.